Edward is a grand old engine. He is a friend to everyone he meets, and he is always ready to do more to be the most really useful engine he can.
Edward, today you will be the Island of Sodor's rescue engine. Harold is waiting for you at the Sodor Search and Rescue Centre.
You'll be Edward the hero.
Strong, fast and stern. That's what I shall be. I will be a hero. Make way for me.
Millie, the narrow-gauge engine, loves her job at Ulstead Castle. She loves being a really useful engine and doing whatever needs to be done on the estate. Running errands for the groundskeeper and showing visitors around the castle grounds.
I'm the Earl, and this is Millie.
Bonjour.
Oh, why don't we switch places?
So I can see what it's like to do your job in the quarry. I love tunnels!
There are some very fast engines on the island of Sodor. Caitlin and Connor, who come from the mainland.
I'm bang on time, I'm bang on time, I'm bang on time, I'm bang on time. I've never broken down. I must have been going too fast.
Nonsense, my friend.
Hello, Connor. Why are you going so slowly?
Better safe than sorry, right? But I do like to go fast.
Then get out there and prove it!
I can do it!